And I've got my screen hopefully shared. Yep, you can see, and I have on here, if on the top menu there, in the top in the center, you can see I have this OwlOps logo. So I'm actually going to remove that. And so you would go into Chrome or Safari, wherever you are, and just follow the instructions. So it takes you to app.owlops.com. And for the first time, you would actually be logging in. But this is the screen right here where you want to do the next step. You want to make sure that you're in the screen that you want to automatically pop up when you're setting the your home screen icon. So on my Android here, I'm going to click these top three buttons, or top three dots in the top right-hand corner. And I'm going to select Add to Home Screen. And that's going to create that shortcut. And once I do that, I'm going to press Add, and it's going to pop up with where I want to place it. You can either do it add automatically, or I can touch it and grab it and bring it up to the middle where I like to have it. And now anytime that you're using the app, you should be able to just simply click on that icon and it will take you right to this. You should not have to log in again. You shouldn't have to remember your password. Only if you've been out of the system for the last 30 days should you have to put in your password. But this should remember. So if you go into our knowledge base, all that instruction is right there.